Hi friends, welcome to my channel Excel Lessons, your simplest way to reach excellence in Microsoft Excel. My name is Pradeep. I have over 15 years of experience in teaching Microsoft Excel. So let's see what we are learning today. So let's get started. Hello friends, in today's video I will show you how to perform VLOOKUP, also known as vertical lookup in Excel. VLOOKUP is probably one of the most frequent used function in Microsoft Excel, and almost every job interview there will be a question on performing VLOOKUP. So what is VLOOKUP and how does this work? VLOOKUP means extracting the missing data from source table to the destination table. So I have given two tables here. One is the table which contains only the employee number, and we are yet to look up company name and email. And where is the source data? Here is the sheet sample employee database. So here we have employee number and we have lot of other details like company name, address, city, county, and others. The basic thumb rule for performing VLOOKUP is we should have a unique and a common field between source table as well as destination table. So in this case, employee number is common and unique between both the tables. The next thumb rule is whatever the data we are looking for, in this case company name and email, so these columns should always be towards the right side of the employee number. Here is the syntax of VLOOKUP. VLOOKUP contains four parts. One is lookup value, second is table array, third one is a column index number, and fourth one is range lookup. Let us find out how VLOOKUP works. Any formula in Excel or any function in Excel should always starts with typing equal sign. Okay, type equals, type VLOOKUP. See, as I told you, VLOOKUP contains four different parts. The first one is lookup value. Lookup value means based on what parameter we are extracting the company name and email. So in this case, as I told you, unique thing is employee number. So lookup value becomes employee number here. So I'm selecting this as per syntax, use comma here, and we go to the next parameter. So next parameter is what? Table array. Table array means from where we are extracting the company name and email. So we are extracting from sample employee database. So I will click on sample employee database. And here the most important thing is the table array should always start from the column where the unique lookup value is available. So in this case, we started looking based on the employee number. So employee number is in the first column. So our table array must start from column A, and it goes till the end of the table, or we can stop at the column which we are looking for. So in this case, we are looking for company name. I will stop my selection here. So let me freeze this by pressing F4. So this will freeze the columns. That means we are locking the range, the entire table between column A and column D. We are locking the cell. So after this, as per syntax, use comma, and here we need to supply the third component, that is column index number. Column index number means the data we are looking for, the column which we are looking for is a company name. So company name is the fourth column from employee number in the source table. So let us find out that. We started from employee number and we are looking for company name. So company name is the fourth column. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, fourth column from the employee number. So we will give 4 here. And the next one and the last one is range lookup. Range lookup means are we looking for an approximate match or an exact match based on the employee number. In this case, we are looking for an exact match. Either we can supply 0 here or we can type false. After this, after supplying 4 components of VLOOKUP, close the bracket and hit enter. See, here we got for employee number 91980, company name is printing dimensions. We can simply drag this formula by using a fill handle or double clicking on the fill handle. Double click, so we get it here. I will show you some scenarios here. So the first scenario here is we are getting 0 as a value. That means employee number 93209 does not have company name supplied in the source file. So let us find out. I'll copy this. Let me find out employee number 93209. See here, the company name is empty. So that's why we get result as 0. In case if we do not have this employee number itself in the source file. So I'm adding one just to show you the scenario. See here what happens, hash NA, that means not available. The employee number 93209 is not found in the sample database. That's why we don't get the results. So instead we get error. So let's quickly perform one more VLOOKUP to get the email address. Type VLOOKUP. First is lookup value. So lookup value is a common component between both the tables, that is employee number. So select this. The second is table array. This is where from the employee number, the columns from the employee number till the email address. So email address is a 12th column. So remember here, you can observe the columns and rows as we make the selection. Okay, so leave it here as per syntax comma, and the third component is the column index number. As we've seen, the email column is 12th column from employee number. So I will enter 12 here as per syntax comma, and the final one is range lookup. I am looking for an exact match, so I will give 0 here and close the bracket and hit enter. We got the result for email as well. See, just drag it down. See, because we changed 93209 to some other number, that means the employee number 93209 is not found in the source data. Hope you understood the concept of VLOOKUP in this video. Please do like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching my video. Let us find more interesting topics in the upcoming videos. Thank you so much again. Bye bye.